You know, if you chew gum, if the kids chew gum, I bet at some time or another you've had gum on your clothes. And it's hard to get out unless you know the secret tip that I'm going to show you today. So here I've got a little shirt, got a big blob of gum on it, and I don't want to stick my hands in it and start trying to pull it off because it's going to spread all over. So instead, my little secret is I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it freeze. So you guys talk among yourselves for a minute. I'm going to take this, put it in the freezer, and come back with one I already froze. Be right back. I'm back. Okay, now we've got our item of clothing with the gum on it. I'm going to take it out, and the most important thing is that you pop the gum off right away. Now you can use your fingers or you can use a dull straight edge. I'm just going to take my fingers. Hello, is that not amazing? How easy was that? No gum stuck on there. Doesn't matter how many times the kids bring home gum on their clothes, you can get it out. Now, what I would do after that, I would take a little dish soap, a little detergent, pop it in, soak that area just so you get any residue off, and then launder as usual. That's all you have to do. You can get gum off that easy. You'll almost be wanting to put gum on the kids' clothes just so you could do it. So there you go. Everything you know about the secret to taking gum off of clothes. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.